During my propagation assignment, I found myself anxious about the number of our home meetings and the hours we spent going out. But one morning, the Lord stopped me, and He spoke to me. I am not only seeking your work and zeal, I am seeking your love. From that point on, I couldn't go out and work for Him without spending my personal and intimate fellowship with Him, without having personal and tender conversations with the one I love. My renewed romance then flowed out to our visits and shepherding. I was no longer driven by numbers. I started to truly care for the people of my beloved.
In the training, I learned that being an overcomer is not about being strong. It's about being weak yet still choosing to love the Lord. At the beginning of FT4, I entered a season of deep feelings and suffering that even my physical body struggled to go on. I couldn't pray and I found it hard to enjoy the word and fellowship. But in those dry moments, the Lord said, "Come to me and I will give you rest." Since the best way to overcome is to simply love the Lord. Even though we are weak, His love is stronger and it conquers all things.
In the New Testament, the word mature refers to believers being full-grown and perfected in the life of Christ, which they receive at the time of their regeneration. Our regeneration is not sufficient in itself. It is just the beginning. Day by day, the Lord's goal is to gain us and make us mature. His goal is not merely our salvation. His goal is to gain the bride. Introspection will not make us mature. In 2 Corinthians 3:18, we are being transformed into the same image. When we remain under the transforming work of the Lord, eventually we will mature in life. We all need to pray for the building up that comes through transformation. Oh saints, there is a great need for maturity. This is the time for us to exercise our spirit in prayer. Lord, gain us not just to transform us, but also for us to grow unto maturity.